I am back with another analysis video, guys. So I hope all of you is good and fine. So today again we are going to discuss and analyze the BTC chart and the liquidation heat map. So what's the plan for BTC? So for my side, if we see a 1 hour time frame in BTC, we have a resistance over here, or this is a big resistance. I think it is taking, and this is a good support for BTC. Or if we see from here, it takes the rejection, so this will be the area where we can plan longs. So if we draw this trend line from here, let me delete first. So if we draw this trend line from here, so you can see here, this is a very good zone. So I will plan BTC on the buying side only when we take the liquidity or inverted head and shoulder type of pattern. After the breakout of this pattern or here on bullish candle, I will plan in BTC. But before it, we have to see the liquidation. So let's move on to the liquidation heat map chart. So we are very close to the liquidity, and we have a good liquidity of 48 million at 103k, nearly 103k, or if we say 103.3k, so 103.4, so 103k will be a good support, and we have liquidity also at the 102.3k, almost 1000 point down, so little bit bearish, and we have liquidity on above side also. But let's see what will price action do, then we will plan for that. On double bottom, inverted head and shoulder, or any bullish pattern I will see, then I will go for the buy side in the BTC, because I think we get the liquidity on the lower side, so maybe we can go for the long in BTC. So today is Sunday also, so maybe we can see some sideways phase, and after that we can see a good upside move. We have holiday in forex market also, guys, so let's see gold also. Before that, if you are not still our Telegram member, so I will give you an advice: go and join the Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. Our Telegram channel is looks like this. You can see here. Here we give you a foolproof strategies and the analysis of the coins, and you can see here we also give freely trade ideas to you guys, and meme coins and any other, and lots of altcoins and lots of information we give here. And if you are a trader, so you can join us also here, free scale group, guys. So we give free signals of BTC and gold here, guys, so you can join freely. Link is given in the description. Or if you want to learn the chart patterns and the price action, so this is our learning channel, so you can join us here also. So all of the channels links is given in the description. Or if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join. Or if you want to join our premium services, so you can join our premium services also. You can message me directly here, check the pin comment, and you can get the information about the premiums and directly message me on this username, so I am available directly for you. Or if you want any analysis or any help, so you can directly message me on the Telegram also, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the gold, guys, for Monday session. So if I say that there is a analysis already I gave to you guys, and gold is following same pattern. So after making the double bottom or a higher low, we can see a good movement in gold. So gold is looking very bullish, so you can go for the upside. So this is the overall for the gold, nothing else is changed in the gold. So good position in gold will be made near this levels. You can long your entries at these levels, so keep eye on the gold also. Okay, guys, so if you like the analysis, please like the video and share the video with your friends, and please comment down your feedback how this analysis video is helping you. We'll meet you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, see you, take care, and a profitable day.